Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Tuesday, election day, November 3rd. This is our daily recap. It's been a very, very interesting day here in the markets. We gapped up big this morning, and instead of doing a gap and crap like we've done in the past, we pushed and we pushed and we pushed, and we put in a new range high here off the lows. And while this doesn't look like it, because Thinkorswim has a bad tail here, this is an island bottom. We gapped up above here, and we have now created an island bottom on the SPY. We did fill this gap and we stopped at the 21 day. But if you look around, the IWM is showing the island bottom very nicely. Here's your gap down. You have 4 days here. You trapped all the shorts. The shorts are now trapped tonight, and here they are, and we're pushing up. We had a huge order on the IWM, the November 13th 165 calls, 30,000 of them. So we have a market here going into the election tonight that is raging into the close here. The VIX coming back in, IWM on highs of the day, showing its strength. And, the market just kind of found its footing here today. So we'll see what we want to do. We do have the election tonight. So what does that mean with the election tonight? It could mean a lot of different things. We could have an answer tonight. Probably not, but we could have an answer tonight. May not have an answer for a couple of days, depending upon how long it takes some of these states to count the votes, because a lot of these were going to have to be counted manually this time. What states you should watch? You should watch Florida, North Carolina, and Georgia tonight specifically. Those are three big ones. If Trump wins those three, then it's probably going to drag on. If he loses any of those, it could be a quicker round of finding out. We know Pennsylvania is definitely the swing state if he wins those three, and there's very, very heavy voting going on there today from what I've been hearing. So from the market perspective, and just, to stay here, we'll see. If the market likes the results tonight, we scream. You look for a move to the 50-day, and then above the 50-day to the 342.50 area. What was strong today? A lot of stuff was strong today. And I mean, this is one of those days where things were just good. Market came after things right away. The banks gave a push. You can look at JP Morgan. Nice gap and push on JP Morgan. You never see this kind of move on banks, guys. You never, ever see this here on banks, this kind of gap and push. DraftKings, the one I tried to get on the open, nice little move today, reverting back in, didn't get filled. I made big money today on Facebook on a couple trades, moved up to the 8 and the 21 day. Apple woke up late, nice move there. Help me out, guys. What are some of the other things that were going on today? Boeing gap and push today, nice move above the 8-day there. We haven't seen that in a while. NVIDIA was strong all day today, closing at the highs above the 8-day. So Tesla had a strong move today, back into the 50-day here, right on it right now. So there was a lot of strength around the markets today, in names and in different sectors and things. Yep, we talked about DraftKings. And, if you just had to be looking for where it was, we had big flow in Micron in the June 25 calls, deep in the money. Look at the move on that, filled a gap it had. ATVI saw a massive call spread, the February 8250s by 9250 calls. Not doing much here. We'll see how that plays out. And JetBlue saw very late this afternoon a big buyer in the December 14 calls, but not reacting to it. They did look bought for what it's worth. But bottom line is, we have a big day coming tomorrow. We'll see where we go. And, I'm going to go home flat. I'll remind you guys, on Thinkorswim, you can trade a bunch of stocks 24 hours a day. So go take a look at them. They're all ETFs for the most part, but they allow you to trade those 24 hours a day. So if you see something late at night and you want to take a position, you can jump in on something like that. And we'll see where we come tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we have clarity. We have the Fed on Thursday and non-farm payroll on Friday. Thanks for listening, guys. Everybody have a great night. And hopefully, this is the start of a nice move up in the markets here again. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Everybody have a good one.